Hey, y'all, it's Jamie Deen. I'm not in the chicken box today. I'm belly up to the bar. Got my friend Troy here with us. T-Mox is going to take us through a couple of drinks. I don't make a lot of drinks. I drink a lot of drinks. Troy, what you got going for us today?
So this is our best ever Bloody Mary. We make it here at the Lady and Sons. We infuse vodka with peppers, let it sit for at least 24 hours so it gets that good kick to it. And we make a homemade Bloody Mary mix. And it is a little spicy for some people, so if people don't like it that spicy, we just put regular vodka in it. But to me, this is the perfect balance. It's gonna have that kick, but it's also something you can drink on a warm summer day.
Yeah, we've had homemade Bloody Mary mix here for as long as I can remember. When Brooke and I were dating, we would go to Georgia games in the fall, and I would fix gallons of Bloody Marys here and carry them up to Athens. They're delicious.
I'm gonna show them. This is the container. That's the pepper, isn't it? The vodka. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
All right, so we have our glass here that we have rimmed with some lime juice, and we use Old Bay. It's a good classic for here in Savannah. So we're gonna take 2 ounces of our pepper vodka. And then we're gonna do 5 ounces roughly of our Bloody Mary mix. We're gonna use a similar glass to this, so we just wanna fill it up pretty well. Like I said, this is something we make in-house, so it's simple. We're gonna grab a tin, or you can just use another glass. Mix it back and forth.
Troy, what goes in a Bloody Mary mix when you're making a mix?
So we used fresh tomato juice, Worcestershire sauce, lime juice, lemon juice, horseradish, a little bit of cayenne pepper, but you can put it just about any kind of ingredients like that. We do put some Old Bay in there just for that little bit of a kick. But people do things so differently. It's all about your personal taste. I know people that put A1 hot sauce in it, put ketchup in it. It's just whatever works for you. For us, this is just something simple, something good, and something that everybody likes.
It's all the notes to classic Bloody Mary with the Worcestershire, vodka, the tomatoes. Looks great.
So what we do is we take a piece of bacon, put it in the glass, and then we make a garnish. So we use some olives, some sweet red peppers, cucumber, some pickled okra from the Paula Deen retail store downstairs. And then we take a nice little stalk of celery. And then we have these awesome little Tabasco hot sauce. I wish we had this for our Paula Deen hot sauce. But put them in here. They don't always hold up the best. But if the server's got a good steady hand, they can take this just like this to the table.
Wow, that is beautiful.
That is
Really
fabulous.
nice. Really nice.
Ooh.
All right, that's it for today, y'all. Just assume that I'm gonna drink that whole thing. I'm Jamie Deen, this is T-Mox. We'll see you around the bar. Cheers, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.